When I was living in the world when Hector was a pup, Queen Cleopatra got a crush on me. She said, come up and see me, dear, invited me to sup. So she made me and I made history. I coughed all night, I coughed all night, I couldn't sleep at all. I'd a sunburned epiglottis, for her kisses were as hot as any fire that I recall. I coughed all night, I coughed all night, and she got mighty sore. She threw me to the crocodiles who served her now and then, but the crocodiles were choosy and they threw me back again. They didn't want to catch a cold from eating ailing men. You see, I coughed all night. I drank all night, I drank all night, for I was feeling blue. With her terrible insistence, she had lowered my resistance to the things she made me do. I drank all night, I drank all night, I don't recall a thing. But it must have been exciting when I finally came to. Cleo said to me respectfully, my child, I think you'll do. Boy, if Caesar had what you've got, he'd have conquered Ireland too. You see, I drank all night. I worked all night, I worked all night. She would not let me rest. Every time I felt like stopping, hell would always start a-popping, and I had to do my best. I worked all night, I worked all night to keep her entertained. That woman was a terror, she would never holler whoa. Instead she'd say, my honey lamb, come jiggle me, and so that is a derivation of the modern gigolo. She made me work all night. I ran all night, I ran all night, with soldiers after me. Although Caesar had seduced her, Cleo said he was no rooster, and she liked variety. I ran all night, I ran all night, for when we went to Rome, Cleo said I was her eunuch and a help around the place. She had me making pillow slips and underthings of lace. But Caesar called the soldiers when he heard me singing bass, and so I ran all night. I laughed all night, I laughed all night, I thought I'd split a gut. Caesar bought some iron panties that would fit outside her scanties, and he locked them safely shut. I laughed all night, I laughed all night, while Cleo cursed and swore. Caesar wanted to be certain of the virtue of his pet, for when husbands are away, the very best of wives forget. I laughed because can openers were not invented yet. Oh, I laughed.